Ah.
What the fuck? What happened?
My fucking.
Oh, you bounced your ball to your balls?
Yeah, I bounced the ball and the ball.
Oh, there's Jimmy over there. Jimmy, what's up, bro?
What's up?
Jimmy Snacks. And then we got the one and only Even. Turn around, bro. Turn around, look at the camera, bro. What's good, bro? What grade you in?
Fifth.
Oh, fifth? Damn, I thought you were a second grader. Oh, that's MJ, huh? And then we got Minnie.
What?
Did you ball out today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I lost.
No way.
I lost because it was dark and the ball was black. But this is the ball. We need flashlights where's the cue on
We're on Bruce Street.
this?
Just got done playing at the park. Now we're heading home.
That's what I name my dog if I get a dog. Bruce. That's a nice name, huh?
Yep. What's up, bro? Hello.
Got it. You trying to get home? Trying to get home?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Driver? Oh, yeah? You work?
Yeah, I've been working for 10 hours.
Damn.
Right.
Well, this is Bruce Street. Welcome to Bruce Street.
Huh?
Welcome to Bruce Street.
All right.
Yeah. Bruce Street, baby. Yeah.
Why he say me?
How you feel?
Why he say me?
Because probably they told that you were crying at the park. How you feel?
Say hi,
If y'all want to play ball with us,
Huh? Ja, det där shit då. She's going up. That was Tarek. Hopefully everybody shows up tomorrow. Right?
Hey, because tomorrow me and Minnie have football practice.
Yeah.
ooh, what's that?
Oh, you guys have practice over there, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, so y'all come.
then you can take videos.
Oh, yeah?
If you got a
Bet,
video
bet.
of me, freaking one hand.
Yeah, hit him with the OBJ. Open, that open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me throw to you and let me see. I want you to recreate that moment.
Like, go.
Even though it was in the flag, he didn't do it in the real game.
Like that?
He didn't do it in the real game. He just did
Like that? Oh my God.
higher. He wants to.
Oh, higher. Oh.
But I caught it.
You caught that was a football, huh?
Yeah.
This one's a basketball. Alright, let me see your celebration every time you catch the ball.
If I catch the ball, I can spin it. The next when my play comes, I come and shoulder bump him.
Oh yeah? What else?
That's it.
What's your handshake with this nigga? Y'all got handshake?
I have a handshake with my friends, and then when I touch down, I take the ball, throw it up, and then just start shooting.
Shh. Do it. Let me see. Throw it up and no, just pretend. Pretend you have a ball. Throw it up and then start
I throw
shooting.
the football, you catch it, touchdown.
You have to look at the camera though. Hey. Alright, now we got Jimmy. What's your celebration, Brody?
Go, spin the ball on the floor, gather around the campfire.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Homeless guy.
Oh shit. You need $1?
Yeah, I need $1.
Shit, I'm broke too, brother. I'm broke.
This is Bruce Street. Welcome to Bruce Street.
Bruce Street, my baby. On my street. Every time they come in, I say he.
This is the safest neighborhood in the world.
Looks dangerous, but it's safe.
Yeah. We have a cop that patrols this area. We're so safe. Right, brother? Yeah. Hey, let me hear your country. Let me hear your country accent, bro.
What do you mean?
Your country accent. Let's see if you have a country accent.
Wait, what happened to the one when he said, Akui?
What?
Oui.
Do a country accent. Howdy, howdy.
Howdy, partner.
Yeah, howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner.
Howdy, even. How you doing? Doing good? You want some mashed potatoes and gravy?
What is that
Any
one
fun
game
to
song?
steal? Oh,
That
yeah.
one, Little Not Xing, the cowboy.
Well, no.
Hey,
Oh, no, that guy ain't
my-
country, bro.
Hold on, I'm good.
That song was a vibe, but that's not country. Oh, this guy eating grass, bro. What's up, man?
Eat
Hey,
some
them
grass. Eat your greens, kids.
Need some grass, eat your green, kids. Oh, yeah? All right, let me see everybody do your Michael Jackson move.
Ready? My Michael Jackson move is. Ready? My Michael Jackson is.
Hey, how about you, bro? Moonwalk. Oh, he did. How about you? Do the kick in the air. Ready? Go. Oh. Oh, you have to come forward. Walk forward. And now we part ways.
This way, we're separate.
All right, man. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Peace out.
See you guys.
Bruce, she's out.
Bruce Streets out.